Lovely Cape Cod home on spacious flat cul-de-sac lot in popular Governor's Square. One of the nicest lots in the neighborhood. Detached garage with large workshop and upstairs room with heat perfect to finish as office or workout space. In recent years the windows were replaced, gutter guards added and kitchen remodeled. Lovely original hardwoods throughout, plantation shutters and 2-inch blinds. Kitchen includes island, granite, tile backspash and bright breakfast area. Formal living and dining areas. Family room with idyllic views of the backyard includes fireplace with gas logs and built-ins. Spacious primary bedroom on main with 2 walk-in closets, hardwoods, and plantation shutters. 2 additional bedrooms on the main with bath. Upstairs includes 2 spacious bedrooms with flex space rooms attached, hall bath, linen closet and large